Here's a quick look at the market through the eyes of eMiniDayTRader for Monday the 5th of October 2009. We like to look at these profiles. As you know, this was Friday's profile. Here's today's profile. You can see that overnight the market was leaning higher. We had a lot of volume trade above yesterday, and then when the market opened in the regular trading hours here, you can see it dipped a little bit, did not take out the overnight low, but instead did take out the overnight high. So further confirmation of some pretty good buyer control today, and as a result we ended up by having some long trades. Here's the individual profiles on just the regular trading hours, the RTH. This was Friday's lettered market profile and volume profile, and so this chart we like to look at because it gives us a little bit more detail every day with the volume and market or lettered market profiles for each day. So there's two for each day, and we see that it did come up and test into that 36 area that we've been looking at as possible resistance, and it's hovering in there right now, and we really do think it's a critical area to monitor overnight to see if the market can hold above, let's say, 37 or come down below 35. If it holds above 37, obviously that's more bullish than bearish, and we would still be leaning on the long side. There is other areas of resistance above it, but that's the most immediate one. As far as our trades were concerned today, you can see that our software here produced some structure for us that allowed us to get in on a nice long trade right in here, rallied in our favor 4 points, so easily that was our first trade of the day, easily reaching our first two objectives, and 2 points on the final partial on that. We then had another long trade when the market dipped into this area, got long here. It turned out to be a break-even trade for that one. We had a total of 4 trades today, and then the other trade we took, which was a more aggressive long in here, unfortunately we were stopped out on this one, getting long in here. It did come back off against us before it came up, and then we had another long trade in here, and we ended up by exiting that after just 10 minutes with just a 1-tick profit. So we did get stopped out on one trade today. It's the first trade we've been stopped out this month. Of course, we've only been trading for 3 days, but that's obviously how it goes sometimes. But still able to be, I think we're either slightly profitable or break even today, even with that loss. And so that's really what we're looking at right now. As far as the support goes, it's really a question of whether or not is it going to hold above 37 or stay below 35. That's really what we're looking at right now, and we're actually thinking that it's more likely it's going to come down. It may back off. I mean, there's no real significant news event coming out tomorrow. And so it's going to be, I think, obviously more technically driven or just market driven, but we are leaning more to the downside right now, even though we have had a good update today, but we're keying on that key area between 35 and 37 to see if it can hold above 37 or below 35, and that should likely dictate what the market will do tomorrow. So any questions or comments, just get a hold of us at info@eMiniDayTrader.com. We'll answer your questions as best we can. Look forward to getting them. So that'll be it for the look at the market for Tuesday, October the 6th, and we'll see you again tomorrow.